Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Cali-Girl brand Dieters tea drink. And I got a request from one of my subscribers who asked me to do a video on this just so you guys can get an idea. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the tea. Of course, I'm using my kettle, and you can find any kettle from Walmart or Amazon or any of that. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to wait until it brews. And after it brews, we're going to proceed to go ahead and make the tea. So next, I'm going to be showing you guys. So right here, I'm going to be putting about 4 teaspoons of the sugar that I'm using. I'm going to be using white sugar. And I'm using about 4 teaspoons of that to place inside of my cup because I like the sweetness of my tea. You can use honey, you can use lemon, you can use sugar or any of that. So right here, I'm going to be putting my tea bag inside of my cup. And as you guys can still see, my kettle is still brewing the water. And you want to drink this really hot, not too hot. So now that my brewing is done, I'm going to unplug my kettle. And then afterwards, I'm going to proceed to take my kettle and pour the hot water inside of my cup for my tea. And I'll show you guys what to do next after you pour it. So after you pour it right here, I usually let my tea bag steep for about a minute. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going to go ahead and let it steep for about a minute or two. I was told you're not supposed to let it steep for 2 minutes, but I let it steep for approximately 1 minute. If you want the process to go a little bit faster. So right here, I'm just steeping my tea bag for about a minute or so, just kind of playing with it. And afterwards, I'm going to proceed to stir it. And as I'm stirring it, I'm just going to make sure that this tea is made properly, making sure that the sugar and everything is mixed together, making sure that my tea bag is still in and is steeped. All right. Lastly, you have a perfectly made tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.